This is how you make a chapati.
Yeah.
No, a Rolex. Sorry.
Rolex.
What do we got here? We got eggs, onions.
And some tomatoes.
Say hello.
Some tomatoes. Oh. Then after I shall do the stirring.
Let me get a potato. What do we got here? More chapati. Little corn. Now we mix it. You do yours differently though.
No, it's only the onions and the tomatoes that was mixed with eggs. Then after he's stirring them, then on the
You got
hot
dough on your face.
Thing that says in Uganda we eat Rolex but we don't wear it.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice.
All right, so you make the egg, and then now what? You got to make the chapati.
It's ready. The chapati is ready. So you just
Oh, you already have
yeah,
chapati.
the chapatis were made before.
Oh, then you just put it on here.
Yeah, you put one in case you want to, then the other one will put again.
We're
For
making.
how many chapatis do you want?
They give you okay.
give you two.
Two.
Yeah, like to satisfy you honestly. So take two.